12 Nifty companies will be reporting their numbers next week. Let's start with Larsen & Toubro first, where consolidated revenues are expected to grow by about 19% on a year-on-year basis due to pickup in execution across segments. Guidance on order execution and inflows will be the key to watch out for in terms of management commentary. Bharti Airtel will also be reporting its numbers, where revenue growth is expected on the back of higher subscribers and ARPU. Commentary on ARPU trajectory, non-wireless business and timeline on 5G tariff hikes will be the key to watch out for. As far as Tata Steel is concerned, weak quarter is expected over here, and that is because of weakness led by both India as well as European operations. Lower realizations and higher cost of production are expected to impact Tata Steel's numbers this time around. Tech M will also be reporting its numbers, where operating margins are largely expected to be flat on a quarter-on-quarter basis despite wage hikes that the company took during the quarter. Deal wins are expected to be in the range of $500 to $700 million US. Sun Pharma US sales are expected to grow at about 21% on a year-on-year basis on account of strong execution in specialty portfolio and market share gains. Outlook on specialty portfolio scale-up will be the key to watch out for. As far as UPL is concerned, revenues are expected to grow at about 16% and EBITDA is expected to grow at about 18% on a year-on-year basis. Debt level, capex plans and price trends in raw materials will be the key to watch out for. From the Adani pack, Adani Port and Adani Enterprises will also be reporting their numbers next week. Moving on to financials, then HDFC Limited, where we are expecting AUM growth to be healthy. It could come in at around 16% on a year-on-year basis. Disbursements and individual loans are expected to remain strong this quarter. Margins are expected to largely remain stable on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Price hikes and operating leverage will drive margin expansion on a sequential basis for Hero MotoCorp this time around. Moving on to Cipla, then US sales are expected to grow at about 20% on a year basis, driven by new launches and market share gains. Last one, Titan, reporting its numbers next week, where margins are expected to remain flat on a year-on-year basis as well as on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Outlook on international business expansion will be the key to watch out for as far as Titan is concerned.
Right, thank you so much for that, Ashesha. Now let me bring